To make garlic cream sauce, first add 1 tablespoon, 14 grams of butter, and 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters of olive oil to a saucepan, and heat over medium heat until the butter is melted. Then, mince 2 tablespoons, 30 grams worth of garlic, and add it to the saucepan. Next, add 2 tablespoons, 16 grams of flour, and stir for 1 minute to make a roux. In a separate bowl, add 2 cups, 500 milliliters of heavy cream, and 1 teaspoon, 5 milliliters of bouillon. Microwave the mixture for a few seconds at a time until it's hot but not boiling. Pour the heated mixture into the roux and continue stirring until it starts to simmer. Add salt and pepper to taste and stir the mixture occasionally as it thickens. After a few minutes, add half a cup, 40 grams of shredded Parmesan cheese and stir until the cheese is melted. Once the sauce reaches your desired thickness, remove it from the heat and serve.